Hey guys, so in this video, I want to talk to you guys personally. I just want to ask one thing: how many of you guys is on that process of self improvement, on that improving yourself and consuming that self improvement content, consuming that motivation content, and all these stuff? And most of the time nowadays, literally, um most of the people are on that self consuming that self improvement content, but it doesn't mean that that person when consuming self improvement content is on that self improvement node. So in this video what I want to talk about is I just came to realize one thing last night, yesterday only, that I'm literally doing nothing in my life. I'm on that self improvement for, we can say, it's like almost 2 years, almost 2 years, or more than 1.5 years, and almost 2 years. But I still think I'm not doing anything in my life. I consume a lot of self-improvement content in the past, and still also I consume a little bit, and then also I feel I'm doing nothing in my life. So I want to talk about something that I realize, and I just want to share it with you. If any one of you, if you are watching self-help content, on Instagram, watching motivational videos, motivational stuff for more than a month or for about 3 months only, even only for 3 months, you know most of the things that you're supposed to do at the start. Like, you have to wake up at the same time. Meditating is good for the health. You have to eat good if you want to um, if you want to have a good productivity, if you want to improve your focus and improve your health, you need to have take good food. You need to exercise and all the thing you need. Most of the things, the basics that is required at this stage where you are now, but you're still not doing it. What you're doing is just going on YouTube once again and searching for another self-improvement content, another dopamine hit, because all you're doing is just like getting dopamine by telling yourself that you are doing something, but you're not doing it actually. Like, it is also called mental masturbation. So I also realized, because I'm also doing the same thing. I'm just consuming new content, new information on a regular basis, but I'm just not applying all the information that I gained earlier into my life. Like, it's not me that I'm doing nothing. I'm doing a lot of things. Like, I eat a healthy diet. I don't eat crap. I don't eat junk food. I don't go outside and hang out with losers. I make sure to with whom am I hanging with. Like, my environment is super. It's not super clean, but yeah, I'm just trying to make it more and more clean, and like exercising and have a cold bath, and things like. I also want to meditate. I also want to make a habit of meditating, journaling, but I'm just being so much lazy that I'm not doing it. Also, like, I'm also procrastinating on social media, like scrolling Instagram for no reason. You have to stop it, but you are just still scrolling on social media. And I know most of you guys are also facing the same thing. So I just want to say one thing: just to you just need to follow the things that you know. You just need to, you don't have to be that super crazy, super extreme thing that nobody knows. You just need to do the basic things. Like, if you know that you have to wake up at the same time, and so we start waking up. If you know that you have to exercise, so just start exercising. What you're waiting about? And this is what I want to say: just build a habit of boring fundamentals. Like, it's so boring to meditate every morning, so boring to journal, to read book, but you still have to do it. So just build a habit of boring fundamental. And I'm seeing it, but I myself didn't have that habit of boring fundamentals. And like, I was still making that habit. So one more thing that I want to share in this video, that from today onward, like, I am starting a series of documenting my life, documenting my every single day. Like, I will be documenting my every single day into a short videos, like what I'm doing this day, what I'm doing tomorrow, what is my plan and how it is going, and what are the pros and cons, what are the negatives and positive things that I do, what the lessons that I have learned, all the things I will be sharing. So yeah, I just record, I just document for 1 week, and at the end of the week, I just combine all the videos and just put it on the YouTube. And for next week, I do the same. For next third week, I'll do the same. And I'm going to do it for about 3 months. Like for 3 months straight, I'm going to do this without being lazy, without being inconsistent, without doing anything, without skipping any single day. And there's the second thing I want to share in this video. So I hope that I hope through this I able to help in something, or if you like this content, or if you want to see my journey, or want to see my journey, so make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And till then, see you in the next video.